Starting a new business is exciting, but it can also be risky. One of the biggest challenges for entrepreneurs is knowing whether an idea that will actually work in the real market or not. This is where business idea validation comes in. Validation means checking if people want your product, if it solves a real problem, and if it can actually make money. Today, we are going to explore how you can use AI tools to validate your business ideas quickly and efficiently, even if you are just starting out. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to explore AI tools that help with business validation. By using the description link, any available benefits or special access that will be applied automatically, so you can get started without any hassle. Now let's come to the main part of the video. The first step in validating a business idea with AI is researching the market. AI tools can help you to analyze trends, search volumes, and popular topics in your niche. For example, you can use AI to find out the product or maybe services that are currently trending on Google, social media, or marketplaces. This gives you a real-world view of demand and the competition without spending weeks manually to gathering data. So tools like AI trend analyzers and search insight platforms that can summarize the large amount of data in just minutes and showing you what people are searching and where the opportunities are. Next, you can use the AI to analyze your competitors. Instead of spending hours browsing websites, social media, and marketplaces, AI can quickly gather information about competitor products, pricing, customer feedback, and marketing strategies. These help you to understand what is working, what is not, and where your idea can stand out. You can even identify gaps in the market that your product could fill, which increases the chances of success before you invest money. Another way AI helps is by testing the customer interest. You can create these surveys, polls, or landing pages using AI copywriting tools that automatically generate engaging questions or content. AI can suggest the best way to ask your audience about their problems and preferences. You can then share these surveys with potential customers via email, social media, or landing pages to see how many people are interested in your idea before creating it fully. AI can also assist you with financial projections. You can input simple assumptions about your product, pricing, and expected sales, and AI can estimate the potential revenue and cost. This helps you to decide whether the business model is viable and what scale you might need to reach the profitability. Even basic AI tools can simulate the different scenarios and highlight risk and opportunities. One of the best exciting uses of AI for validation is the idea generation and the refinement. Sometimes your first idea is not perfect, and AI can help you to generate multiple variations of your product or services or for your niche. So for example, if you want to launch an online course, AI can suggest different topics, formats, and pricing strategies based on what is popular and in demand. This ensures your idea is shaped around the real market rather than assumptions. It is also possible to combine the multiple AI methods. For example, you can analyze the trends, research competitors, you can test interest with the landing pages, and calculate the potential profits all in one workflow. This makes validation faster, more accurate, and less risky than guessing alone. Now, of course, AI is the tool that is not replacement for the real world testing. After you gather testings, it is still important to talk to a real people or collect the feedback and refine your data based on the human responses. AI gives you a strong starting point and also the confidence that your idea is worth pursuing, but human validation ensures it truly resonates with your audience. In short, using AI to validate business ideas saves time, reduces risk, and helps you make the smarter decisions before investing money and effort. By analyzing trends, competitors, and customer interest and refining the ideas quickly, AI can guide you to launch your business that has a much higher chances of success. So if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants to start a business with a smart way by using AI. So thank you so much for watching this video on easy access tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.